All right, boys, before we start, I'm gonna take off the racks just to see what it looks like. I've been thinking about it, so I'm gonna just see. Boys, this shit looks so weird, bruh. Hit me up, I'm selling these. Psych. What the fuck is this, bruh? No, I don't know. I do not like this, bruh. What the fuck is this? Dude, I do not like this. It looks weird, bruh. It looks bald. What the fuck is this, bruh? What the fuck is this? Let me know what you guys think. You guys think I should rock it with no rack or with the racks? Honestly, it's with the racks for me, to be honest. Nah, this shit does not look good, bro. What the? Actually, no, it looks cool, but like it looks weird. Maybe I'm tripping. Let me know what you guys think though, if I should rock it without this or with them. I honestly like it with them, so I'm probably gonna end up putting them back eventually, but it's just weird to look at. Well, now look at the roof. Ew. It looks weird, huh? This one said ill, bro. That's hella fucked up. Huh? It does, bro. I'm gonna get a car wash right now. It's weird though, huh?
It doesn't. Maybe I'm just not used to it running. That doesn't look bad.
Well, actually, right here looks kind of cool. Actually, not too bad.
It makes the wheels pop more.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. It's weird though.
Oh, it makes me want to think like, damn, this nigga has to go lower.
It does look kind of high without it, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. There's something about it.
Cause I think it needs to be. I don't know. I think the antenna's too big though, too. For sure. That's what everyone was saying. I have one. It's in the room of packages. Ooh, oh. Bro, what is this? What is going on, bro?
How good about that right now?
Nah, I don't think she was that good, bro. Back at O'Reilly's. It actually looks pretty good now. Sheesh. Nah, I actually kind of like it now. It doesn't look as bad as it used to with the car wash, at least. Get some little cleaning supplies for the engine bay. And then we got a little surprise. Now you guys already know. You guys read the title. Or if you didn't read the title,
No.
then you don't know, but it's okay. Hopefully they got some good stuff though. Or should I get this one too?
No, just
Wait, okay. Wait, take it out, take it out. Oh, you can already kind of see it, bro. Before we start though.
Watch me break it right now.
It's okay, it's only $500,000. It's stuck?
What do you take it out?
I don't know, there's hella shit on it holding it.
Take this part off.
Yeah, just break the box, fuck the box.
Oh, there we go.
Does it look good or no? It looks kind of, I don't know, does it look good?
Yes, I like it.
Oh, it's hella weight reduction. That's crazy.
Hey, return it. Where do you go?
Oh no, yeah, that looks good. Sheesh. Oh fuck. This is all we're installing, boys. The little carbon fiber engine cover. Does it match with this one? Nah. Oh look, they actually match pretty well, look. Oh hell yeah.
Yeah, because it's carbon in it.
This should look good, this should look good. The Forge one would have a little Forge sticker right here. But I can't find nothing. Yeah, if anything, huh? Sheesh. Before we put this on though, we're gonna have to clean the engine bay. Cut to that. That's cinematics.
I guess.
Right, show them real quick how it looked all nasty. We're gonna get rid of all this right here. all this, all this dirt everywhere. It's actually pretty nasty, huh?
Oh, look at this.
Especially the fucking, oh yeah, don't even look at that. Wait, let's just mock it up real quick. Nah, let's wait for the final product. Or should we put it on just to see what it would look like?
No.
No?
Final product.
Fuck.
It looks better like that.
That's why I don't like Misa.
Think wants to.
He always wants to do shit right, like what the fuck? Oh, and also, I got a black one of this and a black one of this. Got this one for the fucking little coolant bowl. Yeah, that little highlight, I guess. And then this for the water shit. Got these on your tuning, so you already know. Alright, let's clean it. Let's clean it. Actually, it'd be like that, huh?
Yeah, just do 2 instead of 3.
That's not bad right there, actually.
Yeah.
Right there.
Exactly.
I don't have the bolts though. I have to order those.
That's funny.
But just like a mock-up.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit looks pretty cool.
Oh,
Cause then it'd be like this. Like that.
you can probably bend it a little bit too.
How does that look?
I look good.
Does it actually look cool?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just the blob off. But I mean, if it's just like this, it's cool. No, that shit looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, when the sun hits it though.
Yeah, huh? I think it gives off like a little bit of green.
A little bit of green, huh?
Yeah. I think it might be because of the thing behind it, but
maybe. I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. Oh wait, actually, let me switch these out real quick too, and then give it the final product. Oh no, yeah, I fuck with that. Hell yeah. Little black. That sounds kind of weird.
racist?
Oh no, that shit. Oh wait, let me put the sticker on this bit. I haven't put a sticker on this since I had it. Where did I put it? Like right here in the corner, huh? Does it look cooler or lamer with it?
No, it looks good. It does look good.
There. Pull me over now, guys.
Never mind. I hope you do get pulled over. Just
I've been thinking about it. I haven't been pulled over on this car. Knock on carbon fiber engine cover. Boys, I actually really like how it looks. I just gotta find the 3 little bolts, put them on, and it's gonna be chilling. But I don't know how I feel about the fucking racks though. That's the one thing. I still don't know. I'm probably gonna end up putting them back because it looks bald, bro. It looks bald. But yo, this looks good. Let me know what you guys think about it down below with the little caps and everything. Nah, this should look cool. This should look cool. We didn't do the best job cleaning it, but it definitely looks better than what it was. That's for sure. Okay, that shit was lucky nice. That shit was lucky nice.
Nigga, you ruined my video. Okay.
Nigga, that shit was cool. This shit does not swing. Show me. Oh shit. It doesn't swing. Okay, yeah, that's clean. That's clean. Oh shit. How's it feel? That's just cool, bro. Oh shoot. Oh. Golly. What?
I'm gonna do it again. I just need to control the wheel. That's pretty easy. Wait, Misa wants to swim again too.
Oh, golly. Boy, if you don't.
You want to try it there too? Or you want to go somewhere else? I just want to keep going straight.
Let's keep going straight.
Alright. That's just cool.
Oh yeah. Oh, nigga just clickbaited us. He just clickbaited us.
A few inches later.
Shit blows up right now.
Mrs. Car died, boys.
Oh
Fucking 12:30, bro. Alright, turn yours on, Misa. Let's get it back. This is the boy's new car, though. You already seen it. This is how it looks clean. God damn. I was not expecting. You saw the swings, though. That's what happens when you swing, huh? Fuck.
For real.
Worth it?
Yes.
That should look. That should look clean, though.
Did you at least get a good video, nigga? I hope you at least get a good video.
Not a whole video, but clips, yeah. Ah, damn it.
Yeah, it's not gonna turn on. That sucks, nigga.
Fuck.
Come on, come on.
It's because you didn't say, come on, come on.
Why'd you say like less?
Fuck. Mission failed, boys. Safety. Imagine you would have got me out here, I would have ran home. Nigga, you're not thick. Word. This is nasty. Not with those shoes.
What? What's wrong with these?
The way the legs look.
These doggies are honest.
Nah, they were pretty bad. Got him. Yeah, I think it's just your alternator, fool. Wait, turn on before, right before. Last time. Last chance. Come on, baby. One more?
Farting hella.
Last chance. Almost, huh?
I'm not that guy. What the fuck?
You don't think so?
Oh, hell no.
That's almost.
That shit did not even fucking flinch.
I'll use some iPhone 12 for a little bit. Turn on yours real quick.
Alright, turn off.
You're mad. You're mad.
Same thing.
That's why you're checking your brightness.
Same thing, literally.
Is it the same thing we said?
Oh my god.
No, yours is way better, Daniel. Yours is way better, Daniel.
Nigga, look, I can light up the world. Look, okay, I light up the wall.
Literally the same thing. Cry. Cry, kid.
What is a brighter light?
Yeah, there is.
motherfucker. Real test. Let's see, can you see inside? No? Never mind.
This nigga fucking Johnson, I hate that nigga.
Why?
Nigga fucking left a bag of chips in here.
Give him. He said I can have him. Y'all, if you're watching this video right now, thanks for the chips.
Fucking motherfucker.
Oh, the camera died. Oh, my phone died. Oh, my phone actually died. It's been running for 5 days, dude. iPhone 12, bro. Oh, it actually did die, too. Everything? You have everything? All the important shit and everything? You sure? Double check? Double scan through your head? Alright, let's be out, boys. Top. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. God damn it, son! Move forward, bro.
Oh,
Literally no room. That pulls, bro. That pulls. That pulls. Oh shit. And then coming to a different shop. Yo, that should look cool. Yes, sir. Oh, hell yeah, that should look cool. He's gonna start it?
Wait, do it again.
Oh, hell yeah, that sounds cool. Yes, sir. He didn't have that loud trumpet noise. Oh. What do you guys think, bro? This shit low-key nice. I don't even think I know, but Ramon got the Q50, bro. This shit's clean. He still got to lower it and shit, but little by little, we'll be updating you guys.
Yeah, it's not too loud. I like it.
It's just a nice, cool tone. What does downshift sound like? That shit sounds cool. That shit sounds cool. First victim.
He's actually gonna want to race me now.
Oh yeah. This shit actually looks pretty clean, bro.
What, the car?
Yeah, the Honda right there.